Hello everybody, this is Biggie. I got the Zeee batteries out today. These things are awesome, man. I got my charger going, charging them up right now. These things are amazing batteries. I've got different sets of these. These are the smaller of the two sets. And so far I've been really enjoying these. So they're really, really good batteries. Yep, they're really good. I've used them in my boats and in my drone, and I've also used these now in my racing boat. So they're really, really good batteries. These are the 2-cell. I also have the 4-cell. Very impressed. They're really quick to charge. I just put these in here just to, I don't know, what was it say there? 4 minutes ago. Excuse me, my camera's not focusing for some reason. Well, that's not good. Alright, focus. Now it's focusing. 4 minutes on both batteries. They both were pretty dead, so. Alright, this is Biggie checking out with my review on the Zeee batteries. These are really super cool. I'll have lots of photos and data to come with this, okay? Everybody have a great day.